In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your Twitter account from someone, so actually made your Twitter account private. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Twitter application and next hit at that profile picture. Now tap at Settings and Privacy. And here first get into Privacy and Safety and there select Audience and Tagging. Now here you have to enable Protect Your Tweets option. Just tap on that switcher to enable that option, and from now Twitter will show your tweets just to people who follow you, and you would be able to approve each new follower. Also, you can go back and get into discoverability and contacts, and here in order to hide your Twitter account from someone you have to deselect both of that options, let other find you by email and by your phone. And now your account becomes more private. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.